talk about it, just do that shit. Got these bitches saying, yeah, he do that shit.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? Frank here with a brand new video. And as you can tell, this audio is not from the actual recording. I don't know what happened, but I was making the checkout video, and then when I came to edit it on Sony Vegas or whatever, nothing was playing. So something was wrong with my audio, which makes me upset because I did want to be better at making these checkout videos, but it seems like every single time I mess up on something. But yeah, anyways, not to get too off topic here, week 6, I believe. I don't want to get that wrong, so I'm going to double check it right now. But I do believe it is week 6, yeah, week 6. We have the Lamborghini collaboration today, and I'm just really sorry, like, my audio is not matching up with my face cam, but as you can see, I was making the checkout video looking for this shirt. I was actually going for the Lamborghini shirt, and then I clicked on the wrong shirt originally. You'll see that here in a second. But yeah, I couldn't find it, and then I ended up finding it. So I did manage to, have a successful checkout video this time. I don't feel like the website was as clear today because I don't think it was that hyped of a collaboration, honestly. But anyways, yeah, I didn't make a video these past 2 weeks. The 2 weeks ago, I didn't actually go for anything. The week before was the Oreo drop, which I did go for something, and I didn't get it, so that's why I didn't upload a video. I just didn't feel like making a video where I didn't purchase anything was worth it. But yeah, that's pretty much all I had to say for you guys. Just feel really bad about not being able to, make a good checkout video again. But yeah, thank you guys all so much for watching. If you are watching this, I do appreciate it. I do want to continue making these checkout videos, so yeah, just let me know what you guys purchased, if you did purchase anything at all. Let me know if you guys want to see any other kind of videos. Maybe, I don't know, I think Palace is dropping soon. I might do a checkout video for Palace. I haven't bought Palace in a while, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah, otherwise that's pretty much gonna do it for the video. I bought the shirt. I think that part already finished in the video, and then I pretty much just went around looking through the site to see what else I could buy, but I didn't really want anything. The only reason I purchased this shirt was so I could make a video, really, because I did want to make a video again. But I was contemplating the flag hat. I don't really know the name of it, but you'll see that I didn't go for it. But yeah, that's all for today's video. Like I said, I appreciate everyone for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more checkout videos. Promise this won't happen again. But yeah, I'll see you guys on next week's checkout video. Hopefully we get like a box logo. I think they were doing one for to like donate all the proceeds to I don't know, people helping in the COVID-19 thing. Please don't be mad at me if I don't know the information right, but I think I did see something like that on Twitter. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, peace out, guys. I'll see you next week.